Hello everyone. Today, I will show you how to use NovaBot and take advantage of its sniping features. This bot is one of the best tools for trading meme coins, especially for sniping tokens launching on Pump.Fun or migrating to Radium. In this video, I will focus on the sniping features and how to use them effectively. Sniping allows you to buy tokens as soon as they launch, often before most other traders can, giving you an advantage in securing early positions in potentially profitable coins. Once you are inside the bot, you will see the main menu. This menu provides all the necessary tools and features you need for trading. One of the most powerful features is the Sniper tool, which is designed to execute trades automatically when certain conditions are met. There is a Sniper feature that allows you to create new tasks for sniping. Click on that to get started. This section is where you will set up your strategy for catching tokens at launch, ensuring you can buy them at the earliest possible moment before their prices rise. You will have two options, the normal sniper and the Pump.Fun sniper. These options are designed for different trading scenarios. The normal sniper is best suited for traders who want to buy tokens that are migrating to Radium. This means you are targeting coins that have already gained some traction and are moving to a more stable trading platform. The Pump.Fun sniper, on the other hand, is specifically designed to target brand new token launches on Pump.Fun. Since meme coins are often launched here, this sniper gives you an edge by allowing you to buy them as soon as they appear. The Pump.Fun sniper also comes with extra features that give you more control over how and when you enter trades, which can be beneficial in a highly competitive market where every second matters. To use the normal sniper, click on it and create a new task. This will open up a new set of options where you can customize your trading parameters. Select a token you want to snipe. You can either manually input a contract address or select from a list of available tokens that are about to go live. Once you have selected a token, click on Snipe. If the transaction is successful, you will see a confirmation message in the NovaBot on Telegram. This message serves as proof that your sniper is set up correctly and will execute the trade as soon as the liquidity pool becomes active. Now, you can adjust your sniping settings to optimize your trade. It is recommended to increase the buy tip slightly to improve your chances of getting into the trade quickly. A higher buy tip can prioritize your transaction, helping you avoid missing out on fast-moving opportunities. You also need to set your buy fee, choose a wallet, and set take profit and stop loss levels. These settings ensure that your trade is executed under the conditions you prefer, automatically managing your risk and profit taking. Once the settings are in place, the bot will automatically snipe the token as soon as the liquidity pool goes live. If you want to cancel the sniper, you can turn off the bot at any time. This is useful if you change your mind about a trade or if market conditions shift unexpectedly. The ability to disable the sniper quickly helps you maintain control over your trades, preventing unintended purchases. This was just an example, so I will now disable the sniper. However, in a real-world scenario, you would leave it running until the token launches and the trade is completed. Keep in mind that once a sniper is active, it will continue to monitor the token's liquidity and execute the trade at the right moment, so always double-check your settings before enabling it. Now, let's look at the Pump.Fun sniper. This tool gives you more control by allowing you to target specific developers or tickers. This is particularly useful if you follow certain developers who have a track record of launching successful tokens. If you know a developer who has launched successful tokens in the past, you can snipe any new tokens they create. To do this, go to Pump.Fun, find the developer's wallet address, copy it, and paste it into the NovaBot. This feature ensures that you only buy tokens from trusted developers, reducing the risk of scams or low-quality projects. The bot will now only snipe tokens launched by that developer. This is a great way to consistently catch tokens from experienced teams without having to manually monitor the market. You can also snipe specific tickers. This means you can tell the bot to watch for tokens with a certain name or symbol. For example, If you are watching a live event and someone mentions a word that you think will trend as a meme coin, you can set Nova to snipe the first token that launches with that ticker. Enter the desired ticker, and the bot will watch for it. This can be a powerful strategy if you are quick to react to news, trends, or viral moments that could inspire meme coins. Since meme tokens are often created within minutes of a major event or statement, this feature helps you capitalize on new opportunities before they gain widespread attention. After setting up your sniping rules, you need to configure your buy settings. Adjust the slippage, buy tip, buy fee, and amount. These settings allow you to fine-tune your entries to match your risk tolerance and trading strategy. Choose your wallet and set take profit and stop loss levels. These settings ensure that the bot manages your trade automatically, closing positions at predetermined profit levels or cutting losses if the price moves against you. The bot will then automatically execute trades based on your settings, giving you an efficient and hands-free way to participate in token launches. Nova also has a feature called Nova Click. This allows you to execute trades using Nova while interacting with other trading platforms like BullX, Neo, and more. Instead of manually placing trades on these platforms, you can use Nova Click to execute transactions instantly. It works as a Chrome extension, providing fast transaction execution. To set it up, go to the Nova menu and click on Nova Click. Download the extension from the Chrome Web Store and add it to your browser. This feature integrates directly into your trading workflow, making it easier to execute trades without switching between multiple applications. Another useful feature is Auto Buy. This allows Nova to instantly buy any contract address you paste into the bot. You can set filters like minimum and maximum market cap and buy amount and enable the rule. When you paste a contract address, the bot will buy the token immediately. This feature is useful for traders who want an automated way to enter trades without constantly monitoring the market. Nova makes it easy to enter and exit trades quickly. If you want to sell a token, just click Sell 100% and it will sell instantly. This ensures that you can lock in profits or cut losses efficiently. That covers all the main sniping features in NovaBot. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.